How to make a video collage on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a video collage on Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application, as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, as you can see here. Next, tap on the Add New Post icon at the bottom of the page. Your gallery will open, as you can see here. After that, it is automatically set to posts. What you have to do is switch it to Reels, just like you can see here. Finally, you will see the Reels section. I will choose to record a video reel. Before doing that, make sure you tap on this icon here so that the section can expand to reveal more options. From the options that are here, tap this one named Video Layout. After doing that, this sticker appears. Currently, the layout is set to 2 sections. You can also choose to change this. To do that, tap on this icon here, and as you can see, more layouts appear. After that, choose the one that you want to use. When ready, start recording the reel video just like you can see here. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.